Good morning. We are back in Port Canaveral Cruise Port. Our trip is not over yet, even though sadly our Utopia of the Seas cruise is over. Today, we're about to be going to the Kennedy Space Center and we are doing the Explorer Tour. Then after that, we're going to be watching the Utopia of the Seas sail away. Then later, we're going to Disney Springs. So, join the adventure. We made it to the Kennedy Space Center. It looks like a fun time here. Now this entrance looks awesome. Right when you walk in, you go straight to the Rocket Garden. This is cool. The gift shop here has a lot of awesome stuff, so you definitely got to check it out if you're coming here. But now we're going to go see if we can get on the bus early. Right next to where the shop and the bus tours are, they have a Mars rover. Look at how cool this thing looks. Oh, his name's Mervin, Mars Rover Vehicle Navigator. Look at the tires on that. So cool. Our tour is at 1 o'clock. Right now it's only 9:46. So hopefully they have room on the bus because we didn't know what time we would be here. Obviously we got plenty of time. We got on for 10 o'clock. This is a pretty cool bus that we're going to be taking a tour on. That right there is a Falcon 9 rocket.
Now, when you look at it, you can. If everybody
There's the vehicle
looks
assembly
and kind of
building,
squint
or
a
the
little
VAB,
bit, you
the
could possibly
largest
make out
single-story
an
building
flag
in the world.
painted on the side. The bus could actually ride up one of those stripes.
On the tour, you can't leave these yellow lines, but if you guys can see right there, that is the official countdown clock for space shuttle launches. Really cool.
The people
This
working
gravel
all the
right here is
technology
crawler
to
way.
launch
This
a
is
rocket,
where the
then
crawlers
have it
go,
precisely
where they take
land
the
on the
space
moon
shuttle
and get us
to the
home.
launch
All those
pads.
amazing.
So we're at our second stop, and all the patches behind the NASA billboard here, 39A, are the patches of all the missions. And then that one's an American flag, as you can't see from here. All the patches are from 39B, so we'll get a closer look at that. So here's all the missions from 39A. And then all of them from 39B, with 39B over there in the background. This was an actually used walkway to get onto a space shuttle, previously on launch site 39B. Super cool to be able to walk this. This tour is definitely worth going on. So they have this on the ground here to show that these stripes are 8 foot wide, to show just how big that American flag is. That is the largest American flag in the world. Super cool. At the end of the Explorer Tour, they drop you off at the Apollo Saturn V building and get to explore this for a little bit. Here's a look at what a control room would have looked like during the Apollo missions. Wow. So this is a real Saturn V rocket. Such a cool experience being able to stand right next to this. This thing is insanely huge. Before we get some lunch, we're going to go in and see the Space Shuttle Atlantis. The actual shuttle is inside. And there she is, 33 missions, the Atlantis Space Shuttle. Awesome that you get to get this close to it. We were told that the astronauts actually used to fly these backwards so they would avoid the windshield getting hit by meteors. And I'm sure you can't really see any, but there are some small dings from meteors on the thrusters back here. Okay, time to get some food now. For lunch, we're gonna check out the Orbit Cafe. The menu here looks pretty good and the prices are reasonable. We both went with some Little Caesar's cheese pizza and some fries. Time to head back to Port Canaveral to watch Utopia of the Seas sail away. There's this SpaceX drone ship. Even got the yeah. The jetty park we were going to go to originally is a no-fly zone, so I literally went 5 feet off of that. I'm going to put it up in the air over and then fly. Definitely a good drone flight. Now it's time to head back to Orlando, then we're hitting Disney Springs. And we made it to our final stop on our vacation. We are in Disney Springs. So all we're really doing here is coming in and out quick. We're gonna hit some of the shops. I'm gonna take you guys to one of the grab and go food places. And also, Brittany really wants some ice cream. We're gonna check out Earl's Sandwich, since it says the world's greatest hot sandwich. This place is pretty cool. We both got the cannonball, so we'll try that out. But it looks like everything's pretty fresh. Definitely excited to try this food out. This looks pretty dang good, not gonna lie. Super cheesy. Let's take a bite. Really good. Bread is perfectly toasted. Those meatballs taste fresh. I highly recommend getting one of these. It's called the Cannonball. That's cool. They got a Nessie. Oh shoot, it looks like it's made out of Legos. And last but not least, we're gonna be trying ice cream and salt and straw. Wow, these flavors look amazing. All right, let's try this ice cream, because for 2 double scoops and a waffle cone, it was $26 for 2 of these. That's really good though. I got the cinnamon snickerdoodle cookie, and Brittany, what did you get?
Cinnamon snickerdoodle and the cookie dough.
Think it's worth $26 for 2 of these?
Probably not, but if you're on vacation, you might as well treat yourself.
And with that ends our Utopia of the Seas and Disney World vacation. Thank you guys for coming along. Adventure on.